Baret Adelbert.
Ha?
Baret Adelbert.
Lajab baret.
Lajab.
Slokum dah.
Risau keman ni.
Hai hai.
Lajab keluar kari.
Lajab mana? Lajab mana?
Keluar kari. Keluar kari.
Mana lajab?
I feel very happy. First of all, I thank God Almighty and also the people of my constituency who had given me a second chance. So I believe that I could perform well this time and to achieve what I have promised. No, since myself I'm not alone, so I'm no longer alone. So I'm together with the party. So we have to sit along with the party. Then we will decide what needs to be done. We'll see upon the situation. Because what our clear intention. This is a very clear intention that we are not going to bargain for the chair or for the share to compromise for the future generation. What I feel, I got many offer, in fact, from the other political parties. What I have to think after what next? What next to be done after election? Because we have seen, as per experience, for past 50 years, we most of them maybe they just winning the election and forgetting about the duty and responsibility about the future generation. Of course, they should accept that because this is the third time, and I always approaching other communities in my constituency in the name of genuine non-tribal, genuine non-Khasi, no. So they are born. I'm approaching for all those who are born and brought up in our state. Because why we are fighting? The state issue. So we have to opt for a local party. In fact, because I believe that local parties will have to. Will have to serve the own regional benefit. Many are asking me that with whom you will be. You will be fighting in the election. I had made it very clear that myself, I'm always with the principle. Everybody knows. No, I'm. You see, when it comes to that question, I had made clear that all political parties they are fighting among them because they are throwing money like anything. I may say only this much that lots of change will take place. What I can say that anything which deal with the interests of the people, the present and the future, we are not going to spare any stone unturned. So this is also one of the issue, a major issue. So we will be deciding. We will be decide with the party what things need to be done.